Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you cannot get notified about promotional content on YouTube. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube app in your device, then tap on profile icon, next tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find promotional content and offerings. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you cannot get notified about promotional content on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.